A local nonprofit is asking for your help donating pet and food supplies to help folks this hurricane season. James Mcloughlan with Gleaning for the World says people are often left with nothing during tragedies like hurricanes. He says many are forced to rehome or surrender their pet. And that's why Gleaning for the World is now accepting all types of donations like dog and cat food, leashes, animal toys even.
And it's a great feeling knowing that we're helping to keep families together and pets with the people that love them, even during tough times.
Mcloughlan says there's never too much when it comes to donations. Just make sure everything is new. You can drop it off at Lynchburg's Pet and Aquatic Warehouse this Monday through Friday. They are also accepting donations at Gleaning for the World at their location in Concord.